In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up live chat in Hubspot. Setting up live chat is a fantastic way to improve your customer service by providing real-time support to your website visitors. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, locate the login button situated at the top right corner of the page and click on it. You'll be directed to a login page. Choose the option to sign in with Google and select the account you'd like to use. This step makes it easier if you're already logged into your Google account. Now that you're logged in, navigate over to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll find a tab labeled Service. Click on it, and this will bring you to the next section. After you're in the service area, look for chat flows and click on it. This is where we'll begin setting up the live chat feature. In the chat flows section, you'll see an option to create a new chat flow. Go ahead and click on Create Chat Flow. It's time to decide where you'll be adding this live chat widget, so select Website from the options provided. Now click on Set Up Chat. After choosing to set up a chat, you'll be prompted to select Website again. This selection is crucial as it ensures the chat widget's deployment on the correct platform. Once you've confirmed, move forward by clicking Next. The experience of your visitors can be enhanced by styling your chat widget. HubSpot provides a range of customization options, allowing you to tailor the widget to match your brand's aesthetic. When you're satisfied with the appearance, go ahead and click Next. Next up is choosing your chatbot's availability. This means setting the hours your chat will be active, aligning it with your team's schedule, or offering 24/7 automated responses. Once you've configured this, click Next again. Now you need to decide who will handle incoming chats. Input the names of the individuals or teams responsible for responding. If applicable, enter a name and add a logo to give it a personalized touch. This can help with branding and give your team an approachable identity. Once you've nailed down the details, click Next to continue. It's always a smart move to preview your chat setup before going live. This allows you to test the functionality and make any necessary adjustments. When ready, hit Next again. Finally, you'll arrive at the installation step. Click on Copy and Verify Installation to obtain a code you'll need to embed on your website. This step is crucial as it ensures that your live chat is properly integrated and ready to operate smoothly. And there you have it, a fully functioning live chat setup in HubSpot, ready to enhance your customer service experience. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital tools.